Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ryan Vincent. In today's video, we're going to be sharing the Lamborghini experience with somebody very special. My father-in-law, Frank Morales, just visited from Santa Ana, California, and he's always wanted to drive an exotic car. So today, he's going to be able to do that. So we did one little practice run earlier for around the block. So today, we're actually going to take it out on the streets and go find somewhere to eat. So stay tuned. So when I bought this car, I wanted to share the experience with my friends and family members because it's not every day where people get to drive cars like this. And so I promised myself if I ever were to own one, that I would share the experience. So that's what I've been doing. So you're gonna see a lot of random videos of just people in the car or on Instagram, because you know it does give you a lot of joy when other people get inside and get to drive it. You know, kids get to start it. It's really, really fun, exciting. It just makes you that more appreciative of what you have. And you know, I've been blessed with this car, so I want to bless others and give them the experience as well. Unfortunately, today is a very gloomy day, but we'll make the best of it. So it seems like every video has been out in the clouds. So we're gonna take it for a spin, even though it's an overcast, but we're still gonna have fun. Okay, this is my father-in-law, Frank. Welcome back to Colorado, sir.
Thank you.
Hey man, are you excited to drive this car today?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, we're gonna go for a spin with Frank. He's gonna drive this bad boy. Here you go, Frank. Here's the keys.
Woohoo!
What do you think of Colorado so far, man?
It's great, man. It's cold, but it's great.
It's cold. You're willing to come back?
Yes, I do.
Good, good, good. And then you can come back and drive this, right?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Alrighty.
All right. Woo! Sounds good.
Sure does. Nice enjoy.
Okay, so during this video, we're just gonna kind of go through the process, kind of give him familiarization of the car, because this isn't an everyday driver, obviously. So you'll see that here in the video. So right now we're in neutral, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop in on the passenger side.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and take your e-brake off there. There you go. All right, now on this car, the reverse button is actually way over there. There you go. All right, so when you hear that beep, that means it's in reverse. We got our camera right here, and we're going to back up carefully. But before we do that, there you go, Frank. Awesome. So we got the front hydraulic lift going. Gotta have that in these cars. Okay, go ahead and back out slowly. Now, just put it in gear. There's your paddle shift.
Both? Both?
No, just the first one.
This one?
Yep. Boom, now you're in first, okay? Now we're gonna lower the lift. This one. Yep, there you go. Fantastic. Okay. Very good. See how the tires rubbing. Awesome. Now,
It's an automatic, right?
right now it's not. You wanna go auto?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go auto.
Okay, we got A1, right?
Yes, A1.
Okay, so right now we're in auto.
Kind of lucky.
You guys like riding in a go-kart. Okay, go ahead and make a right. Okay, we got another right. Seems like every car video I've done lately, it's been gloomy out. It's like, can't get a break. Okay, so we're going to go, after you hit the stop sign, we're going to go through the stop sign and go straight. We're gonna avoid that intersection up here. So when it's in auto, it's a little less stress. So that's the nice thing about it. So how's it feel, man, so far, Frank?
It feels good. You can feel the power on this.
Nice.
That's a lot of turbo. Woo. Love the sound.
This guy's a pro already. He's tearing it up, man. That's a
Make a turn?
Yeah, we'll go right.
Keep straight.
Nope, we'll go right.
Okay, make a right. Okay. Cloudy day in Colorado.
Yes.
It's 10:20 in the morning. Tuesday morning. Michelle's birthday.
That's right. The wife just turned 40, so it's the big 4-0.
40 and fabulous.
Just a side note, when you drive an automatic, these cars are a little bit harder on the clutch, but it's good to go in automatic, obviously, if you're just cruising around and you're trying to have fun with other people experiencing the vehicle. But you want to use your sport mode and your paddle shifts. That helps save on the longevity of the clutch. But like I said, you know, we're practicing today, so we're going to use the automatic.
Feels like a go-kart at times.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It's so low.
Renegado.
Oh, okay.
Renegado. It's
Very
like
cool.
being mad. Renegado.
Oh, it's being mad.
Like renegado.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good deal.
Cool. All right, then we're gonna go left. Then we're gonna lower the lift again. Now, I believe the 04s, they didn't have the lift. The 05s was optional, and 06 and above, they all have the lift now. It's automatic.
They're open here? Oh, they're open only for dinner.
For dinner. That guy, he's videotaping. Woohoo! We got our first Frank Morales fan.
Yeah.
Giving us the thumbs up.
You get a lot of fans. Huh?
Yeah, man, you're getting famous, bro.
Yeah.
So what's your background, Frank? Give us a little bit of insight of why you appreciate these Italian cars.
Well, they're slick. I always appreciate European cars, man, because they're so unique, and they put a lot of detail to it. You know, aerodynamic. They're low. I love the sounds. The sound of the engine. The detail work they put into it.
Now, I'm glad you mentioned detail work, because Frank, by profession, is a professional upholsterer, and he used to work on these cars. Give us some examples and celebrities of cars that you've worked on.
Oh my God, I have worked in so many of these vehicles, like for Ferraris, I've done Testarossa Countach, I've done Lamborghinis, I've done Mercedes, Rolls Royce.
Wow!
I had cut off their tops, made them convertibles. I done 4-door Mercedes convertibles.
Woo.
I mean,
Whose car was that for?
they were done for celebrities like Tom Jones, Sylvester Stallone.
Dang. Go Rocky.
Yes.
Whoa.
We were the only ones in Orange County, California, doing these vehicles.
Wow.
When Michigan, Detroit stopped doing convertibles, as we jumped in and started chopping the roofs off these vehicles and started doing convertible tops.
Interesting.
And there for a while, I don't know how many years that General Motors stopped doing convertibles, and then of course they started back up doing convertibles.
Okay.
And I became a specialist in doing convertible tops.
Wow, that's impressive,
So I became a specialist in doing convertible tops.
And rumor has it you did a vehicle for Mike Tyson. Is that true?
I did actually 4 vehicles for Mike Tyson.
Whoa!
And Testarossa Countach, 2 Mercedes, and actually 3 Mercedes and a Testarossa Countach for Mike Tyson. He took his Mercedes 4-door convertible and advertised it in his what is it, Arsenio Hall show.
Okay.
And on national TV. I missed it, but I was told that he showed it off on national TV.
Wow.
And but my supervisor told me that he showed it off on TV, and he was so proud. And I met Mike Tyson.
Wow.
And so on. We did. I did his whole inside of his car. It was a brand new car, and I did the whole inside out of what's that, Louis Vuitton material.
Oh, okay.
That guy was a showboat. Mike Tyson was just a total showboat. I mean, he just had money to burn.
Oh gosh.
I mean, it was like, well, I was there and I did it.
That's awesome.
And, I mean, this was expensive material.
Ooh.
I had to go to Vegas and buy Louis Vuitton material.
Okay.
I made a special trip just to buy the material. Living in Orange County, I had to drive to Vegas to buy the material.
That's incredible,
So
man.
it was, and I was so proud. I took a lot of pictures of the car before and after.
Okay.
So that was pretty cool.
Wow. No, that's impressive. Like, that's something to share with the world. Hey, Mike Tyson, if you're watching this video, Frank Morales, man, he hooked up your cars. So I'm gonna try to look for that on the Arsenio Hall show.
Yeah.
A lot of you guys don't know Arsenio Hall. It was an old talk show back in the oh gosh, mid to late 80s. We're really dating ourselves, huh?
Exactly. Yeah. So,
Arsenio Hall.
Yeah. That it was neat to working on his car.
That's awesome.
That was pretty cool.
So that's why you have a passion and a love for these type of cars. You worked on them. That's incredible, man.
That was pretty cool.
So now when this car needs work done to it, I know who to call. Right, Frank?
That's right,
I
man.
think, right?
I'm here. I'm still doing.
I'll buy you a 6-pack, man. Back on Tower Road. We're just cruising right now, getting used to the traffic. I think Frank's doing a great job, man. You're a natural, Frank. Doing good.
Feels good. On a cloudy day in Colorado.
We're trying to convince him to actually move out here. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to keep trying. He likes the sun and the beach. So that's hard to get away from it.
I drove in every celebrity's vehicles.
Now, when you're in Tom Jones' car, were you singing, "It's not unusual to be loved by anyone"? Hit it.
Yeah. What's up, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's a good one, man. I remember that song.
Yeah.
Pussycat, pussycat.
I was never a fan, you know.
Yeah.
But I opened his glove box.
Uh-huh.
There's a lot of pictures of him in his glove box, right? I go, what the? I took one just for the heck of it, right? You know, I don't know what I did with it.
Little memento.
Yeah. This is the place we went to?
Yeah, that's the Chili's that we went to. Yep.
All right. Yeah, how'd you like that stop, huh?
It's good, man.
Before I made a ride.
Yeah.
I usually don't do that, but I'm driving a Ferrari.
Lamborghini, Frank, Lamborghini.
I mean, I'm sorry, Lamborghini.
Yeah. She almost got upset, man.
Easy,
it's okay, Roxy. It's okay.
Hey, easy.
Yeah, sorry about that, girl.
Oh my God.
There's the Home Depot. Yep.
Hey.
That's where I spend all my money. I'm sure that's where you spend all your money.
Our candy store.
Exactly.
Started. Yeah. Get to know the car now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
There you go.
Down the freeway?
Yeah.
Ah, for
Yeah.
sure. Woo, doggy. Yeah.
We're actually going 110 miles an hour right now. Frank just unloaded it. Just kidding.
Feels really good. I like it. I threw in the towel. When I called you the first time I came to Colorado.
Colfax?
Colfax.
Oh, yeah.
Every time I come through, we came through Colfax. I kept saying, here's where I threw in the towel.
Yeah, that's right. Real quick, he drove all the way from Santa Ana, went through the Rocky Mountains, you know, and he trenched it all the way through. And at the very, very end, the last like 2 miles, he got lost on Colfax and said, forget it. Vinny the Handyman, come get me. So he threw in the towel. So I was actually driving down Colfax Avenue looking for Frank. And what do I see? I see a white towel in the middle of the road. That was his. True story, man.
Yeah. And didn't your dad do the same thing?
Yes, yeah. He did too. And then my dad, yeah, exactly.
He threw in the towel on the same street?
Yeah, same street, yeah.
Oh my God. Well, so, I made it this far, right?
You did great.
I'm from California. I goes, hey man, come and get me.
Oh, that's hilarious. That was what, 13 hours? 14? No longer, huh?
No, 17.
17-hour drive, man.
Yeah. And I go, hey man, come and get me.
And then when you put the top down on this car, oh, it's even better, man. Oh yeah. That's how I lost most of my hair.
That's a good one. I like that one. Is that one of your new lines?
Yeah. The guys at work always remind me that. Vinny, stop driving with the top down. You're losing all your hair.
Yeah. Where'd it go?
Yeah,
Where'd your hair go? The pile?
Yeah, it's in the pile, man. I get it back when I go to heaven. When I go back to heaven.
Yeah.
I'll get my hair back.
Go back to heaven. Okay. There you go, man.
So I'm losing hair, but gaining more chins.
Oh.
Yeah. It's backwards, man.
That's a pretty good drive.
Yeah, man.
Man, it felt good now driving it.
It's therapy, huh?
Yeah, very good. I needed that to get that.
Okay. All right, Frank.
Right on.
It's all yours now, buddy.
All right.
Okay, so Frank's gonna do some flybys. Nice. Oh, that sounds so good. Frank,
Yeah, right on.
good job, buddy.
I loved it. See, I do all these, all this, I've done the consoles and these little booths. You know, these rip, and then Alyssa can learn these. These rip right away.
Oh, wow.
And Alyssa can do all this, man.
Very
you
cool.
know?
So Frank's actually teaching my daughter how to be an upholsterer. We just bought her first industrial sewing machine. What's the brand?
Juki.
Juki. So
Yeah.
she's learning Grandpa's trade to carry on in the family tree. And so far, she loves it. You're like, look, youngster, I was driving these when you were swinging in your daddy's balls.
Yeah. Yeah.
You really were.
Yeah, swimming inside. We were swimming.
Frank. All right, Frank, thanks for getting us back safely. What'd you think of the ride, man?
It was an experience. It was one of a kind here. There was I loved it. I drove in these cars before, but not this far. But it was an experience of taking it this far for many miles. It was great. I loved it. So, thanks, Ryan.
Very cool. Frank, thank you for sharing this experience with me. It was memorable. All right, guys, we're signing out. Thanks for tuning in.
Later.
Frank Morales, Vinny the Handyman, signing out.